Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high-quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is. On Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Forged in one piece, the most durable, longest lasting striking tools available. Rip Claw VERSITILITY. Use for pulling nails, prying boards, demolition work, splitting wood and more. Built for the pro framers, finishers, roofers, carpenters, contractors and serious DIYers. Genuine leather grip, hand sanded and lacquered for a durable yet comfortable finish. Made in the USA, our tools are proudly crafted in Rockford, Eel using the finest American steel. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is. Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Forged in one piece, the most durable, longest lasting striking tools available. Magnetic nail starter, one-handed, fast, accurate and convenient nailing. Patented shock reduction grip, comfortable, durable and reduces impact vibration by 70%. Rip Claw VERSITILITY. Use for pulling nails, prying boards, demolition work, splitting wood and more. Made in the USA, our tools are proudly crafted in Rockford, Eel using the finest American steel. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is. Many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. 25% lighter head for sniper-controlled swing. Ballistically balanced for maximum striking power. Shock-absorbing. Mower grip for precision accuracy and less sting. Magnetic nail starter for rapid nail driving. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is. This product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Forged steel head for superior durability. Pro touch grip for maximum comfort even after prolonged use. Smooth face leaves fewer marks on surfaces. Fiberglass construction absorbs vibration and reduces fatigue. Hybrid handle design is rounded for more comfort and fit with a curved base to prevent slippage and a hardened end cap. See more product details.